Hello, my name is Samantha Brooks, and this is my final project presentation. Today, I am presenting the key workforce challenges currently facing the United States manufacturing industry. Manufacturing supports critical areas of the economy, including transportation, healthcare, defense, and consumer markets. However, employers are struggling to find and retain workers. The main issues include modest wage competitiveness, declining employment in several routine occupations, and a widening skills gap driven by automation and technology. To understand these challenges, I use three data sets from the Bureau of Labor Statistics. First, the Occupational Employment and Wage Statistics provides detailed information on wages across manufacturing roles. Second, the current employment statistics program shows real-time trend-like jobs, gains, and losses. Third, the employment projections dataset gives long-term forecasts on which occupations are growing, shrinking, or shifting due to technology. Together, these datasets allow us to see both the current workforce challenges and what the industry will face in the next decade. Wage competitiveness is one of the major issues. Production workers earn an average of about $50,000 per year, which is lower than the wages in competing fields like construction and warehousing. At the same time, highly skilled technical roles such as machinists and tool and die markers earn much higher wages. This creates a divide that makes it harder to recruit people into entry-level manufacturing roles, especially when the work is physically demanding and requires safety training. The second finding is declining employment. CES data shows that manufacturing lost about 87,000 jobs in 2024. Long-term projections also show routine production occupations continuing to shrink. However, employers still need thousands of workers each year to replace those that are retiring. This creates a difficult situation where the overall field is shrinking, but hiring to remain high. Automation is playing a major role in reshaping the workforce. Many traditional manual jobs are decreasing, while technical and maintenance roles are becoming more important. These newer roles require digital, mechanical, and problem solving skills that many current workers do. This gap between job requirements and worker skills is one of the biggest barriers manufacturers face today. To address these challenges, several strategies can help. Manufacturers should increase wages in production roles to stay competitive. They should also expand technical training programs, apprenticeships, and partnerships with community colleges. Reskilling current workers is essential so employers can transition into automation related positions rather than being displaced. Clear career pathways can also make manufacturing more attractive by showing workers how they can progress over time. Finally, broadening recruitment to include underrepresented groups can widen the available talent pool. Ethics also matters in workplace planning. Training and advancement opportunities should be fair and accessible to everyone. Employers should have a responsibility to support workers whose jobs may be replaced by automation by offering retraining and or transition options. It is also important that workers' data is used responsibly and without bias. In conclusion, the manufacturing industry is experiencing a combination of routine roles and a growing and ethical workforce practices. Manufacturers can stabilize their workforce and remain competitive in an increasingly automated economy. Thank you for listening.